You gonna stop performing now that there's a camera present? Are you trying to smile big? Are you trying to smile big? Huh? Are you trying to smile big? Are you?
Yeah.
Those look like some big smiles. There's my mouth.
Zachary. Zachary. Where's your smile?
I don't know. When there's a camera there, I don't perform as much.
Zachary.
Are you laughing at the
I
hiccups?
think it's funny when you hiccup.
Wait until you're about 4 or 5. It'll get annoying.
No, because then he'll be laughing at his farts.
He giggled at the fart. You think that's funny? You should be around when a dog farts. Yeah, it's not that pleasant. Changing little Zach's diapers is more pleasant than a dog fart.
He's not even eating like solid food yet, man. You haven't had the worst of